Hey y'all, it's your boy D, back with Modified. This really isn't like a modified thing, but I figured somebody out there needs to hear this. If you got your old shocks, things are dirt cheap. 13 bucks on eBay. What I mean by shocks is not suspension, but the ones that hold your back window up. So I went to eBay, typed in I got a 2005 Suburban. Not sponsored, by the way. I just haven't figured out a crazy way to say eBay. There they are. These have been kind of going out on me for, I don't know, since I bought the truck. So when you open up the back hatch, if it just doesn't want to stay up, I removed this one a while back, but they just snap in place. And for $13, there's no reason not to put these back on. They're easy enough. And that's just the one. So I'm gonna show you how to pop off the other one. Just using an old school slotted screwdriver. It comes right off, pops it right back on, nothing to it. So all you really do is get your slotted screwdriver or flathead and get behind this little clip, pry it off, and do the same for the top. So I get the camera up here. There you go. And at the top, you just do the same thing. There is a metal. Pull that clip out. Having your next one ready. I install these with the rod down. That way, dust doesn't want to sit inside of this. It'll, gravity will kind of pull it away. Just hold a glass up, and it just pulls off, leaving both of the clips intact and everything. It just pops on. So this is a super easy fix. And to me, there's no reason not to change them for $13. So one clip at the top, clip at the bottom, and there's a little resistance there, and it opens up by itself. So for 13 bucks, change your shocks, man. Make your life easier. Just got to remember to get on eBay and order the things. That's the cheapest I found them. Thank y'all for tuning in to Modify. Catch you next time. It's not really nothing to modify, but just a little helpful reminder to make your life a little simpler. 13 bucks, change your shocks. Catch y'all next time.